Hey guys, welcome to Jets TV. Oh my gosh, you guys. We may not have a whole lot of brand new ones for any holiday, whether it be upcoming or not, because our stores are just not getting them in. We kind of talked about that before, but we have been busy with thrift stores, and you would not believe the beautiful animatronics that we've gotten at thrift stores. So we today are going to show you quite a bit of Christmas and a little bit of Halloween and a little bit of Easter. And we have so much that we will have to break it up into multiple videos, which we are excited about. And what else, Jet? A lot of these are, well, some of them are brand new from last Christmas, but the majority of them are thrift store finds, right?
Yeah, pretty much half of the things here came from just like one single thrift store.
Yeah, and the one thrift store, and I think we've talked about this before, was one that's up the street. They get a lot of Hallmark, and they are just beautiful and so cute. Guys, we are going to get to shout outs because I know that there's been multiple shout outs requested on our channel. So I'm going to go back through the comments. We're going to get some shout outs going. And we're so excited to do a video for you guys. We love you all. We've missed you. So without further ado, Jetty, where should we start? Right here?
How about over there with the bunny?
Okay, you want to start with the bunny? Now, this one, didn't we just get him yesterday?
Yeah, I actually haven't even looked him up yet. I'm not sure when.
Okay, let's check him out. Oh, he's so cute. His little voice sounds familiar. I don't know why, but he's so cute. I love that. Okay, some of them you can see, like this one here in the back. We have a lot of duplicates. So what we're planning to do, okay, maybe, but we would like to fix some of them, clean them up, and eventually we might be selling or doing giveaways. So with that in mind, let's do, is it Mr. Frankenstein with his little pumpkin?
It's now the Monster Mash. The Monster Mash. And it's a graveyard smash. It's now the mash. It's caught all in a flash. It's now the mash. It's now the Monster Mash. Now everything's cool. Drax a part of the land. And my Monster Mash is the hit of the land. For you, the living, this mash was meant to. When you get to my door, tell them Boris sent you.
Then you can mash.
Then you can Monster Mash.
Oh my gosh, that pumpkin's so cute.
And do my graveyard
Then
smash.
you can mash.
You'll catch on in a flash.
Then you can mash.
Then you can Monster Mash. Roar! Mash school. Easy go. You a young boy. Mash school.
Some of them we cannot believe how good they play. They're just awesome. So cute. Okay, now this little present Jetty got for Christmas. What was the deal with him? At first he didn't work and you guys got him working, or?
Yeah, there was a wild loose on him.
That's right. But you know what? He is the worst.
Yeah, that's the worst Christmas present ever.
Yes, the worst Christmas present ever. His little eyes.
I could be a flat screen TV. I could be a puppy. I could be a football, but that's not me. Oh, I'm the worst Christmas present. I'm the worst.
Okay, this one back here, Jetty, we haven't shown this one too. This one you actually got around Christmas too. This one was new.
Up on the housetop, reindeer paws. Out jumps good old Santa Claus. Down through the chimney with lots of toys. All for the little ones' Christmas joys. Oh, 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 who wouldn't go? Oh, 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 who wouldn't go? Up on the housetop, click, click, click. Down through the chimney with good Saint Nick.
Oh, he's so tiny and cute. Love him. Okay, this little penguin we got, was that yesterday?
Yeah, we also got him yesterday.
Oh my gosh, he's so cute. We could not believe how awesome he is and how well he worked. Go, Mr. Penguin! Should we play one more?
Yeah.
Oh, he's so cute. Okay, how about this Hallmark? And this one is, what year is that from? Do you know?
I think that's the 2007 one.
Okay.
Yeah, it's 2007.
Uh-oh.
I don't think we put batteries in that one.
Okay, we'll come back to him. All right, let's do the Valentine. He was from Walmart this year, right?
Yeah.
Where is it?
It's like on his side, on the bottom.
Oh, I see it.
He spins.
Oh, that's right. There he goes. Cute. Okay, let's do this one real quick. This is one that we have, what do we have? 2?
We have 3 of them.
3 of this one.
We got this one from Red, White, and Blue. We got the other one in the background from, I think, Texas Thrift, because it has a tag.
Oh, that's right.
And,
It's back there.
we accidentally got a dog one that is even worse than both of these.
That's right. That's right. Oh my gosh, I love these.
I know, but we just have too many.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Good tidings to you wherever you are. Good tidings for Christmas and a Happy New Year. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
They're so cute. I love all these Hallmarks. Okay, let's bring this one out now. All right. Kind of quiet.
Just hear those bells ring, jingling, ring, ting, jingling. Awfully thinking that now they'll rest with you. Outside it's wintry weather, so grab a sweater on. Oh, it's finally snowing, the dog is going.
Let's go again.
Oh my gosh, they're so cute. Okay,
Yeah.
bring out this one. I love these so much.
There's so many
They
on
are
the
so precious. And then we decided we were going to just start collecting the new ones each year too. Oh, don't tell me.
Well, we didn't even like put batteries in them before
I thought we
started
did.
recording. No, we didn't.
Okay, well, let's grab this one.
Oh, we already sold him.
No, that's a new one.
Music makes Christmas
Yeah,
merrier.
but I thought we
Don't you
already
think?
sold.
It's alright.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New
Can you see the
Year.
piano lights up?
We bring to you and your kids good tidings for Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Oh my gosh. Oh yeah, because he's from 2023. So, okay. Now, we have... Now, this one is last year, right?
Yeah.
Boxes, paper, tape, and bows. Gather
Look at him!
wrapped up neat in red and green, a thoughtful, fun surprise. Giving gifts is such a fun way of spreading joy. Time to put the ribbon on. Thanks, good boy. Well, Rex, I think that's a wrap.
Yes, it is. Oh, they're so cute. Okay, you gotta see this little guy here. Look. Did we not put batteries in this one too? What the heck is going on with us? Oh my goodness gracious. We wanted to show these so bad. Okay, here we go.
Wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Good tidings we bring to you and your kids. Good tidings for Christmas and a Happy New Year.
It's really the same song as
Wish
the
you a
other
Merry
one.
Christmas.
Yeah.
Merry Christmas. Wish you a Merry Christmas. That's the spirit, Rex. And a Happy New Year.
Okay, hand me those guys real quick.
Okay, this one.
Yeah.
Okay, does this one work?
No, that's why I need
Okay.
them.
We're gonna do this one. Okay, now, I believe, now, is he Avon? Was he Avon?
I think so.
I forget.
I think he is. I'm not sure.
We got him at the thrift store.
Before.
Yeah, now he does kind of rock back and forth. I was shocked as to how awesome he worked. So, I'll turn him around. And then, do it like this so you guys can see.
Better bundle up 'cause it's cold. Oh, it's cold. Here we go. That'd be like a sleigh ride for two guys in one. Yeah. Oh, thank you. Here comes a big hill. Down the hill. Here's the sleigh ride. Come on and come me when we're sleigh riding with you. Come on and come me when we're sleigh riding with you.
Is that adorable or what? So cute. I love them. Okay, now we'll do... Aw. So we'll call this Christmas in March. Just a little bit.
It should be Christmas in July, you know.
Should be, yeah. Okay. So this guy, where did we get him?
CVS.
Oh, that's right. Okay.
Let's kick it.
I'm surprised we haven't found any.
Oh, wait, stop. Collaborate and listen. Ice is back with my brand new invention. Something grabs a hold of me tightly. Flow like a harpoon daily and nightly. Will it ever stop? Yo, I don't know. Turn off the lights and I'll glow. To the extreme, I rock a mic like a vandal. Light up a stage, wax a chalk like a candle. Ice, ice, baby. Ice, baby.
I wonder if he's cold. He's shaking.
But he's a Yeti. He should be used to the cold, you know.
Did we show that one in the back with the dog? I forgot.
No, we haven't sold the dog
Okay.
yet.
We got to do this one. Uh-oh. We had Fuzzy left behind. Okay. This says 2017.
No, it's
12? Oh my gosh. Boy, he really moves too, huh?
Alright.
Dang. Oh my gosh, that's so cute. Okay, we have to switch gears for a second, guys, because yesterday when we went to the thrift store, I could not believe that we
That was
found...
the best thing we've ever found.
Oh my gosh. Okay, so obviously it's Halloween, but what was it we ended up paying for it? Like,
It was like $6, I think.
well, no, it was half off, so I think we paid like $3 for it. We weren't even sure that it was going to work. Now, was this Avon?
Yeah, this is Avon.
This one is Avon. You guys, I could not believe how well this worked. Okay, is it in his hand?
No, it's on his foot.
Oh, okay, here we go. Now, this is the original, I believe, so we gotta... It's not? Okay.
Got a black magic woman. Got a black magic woman. I've got a black magic woman. Got me so blind I can't see. This is a black magic woman. She's trying to make the devil out of me. Don't turn your back on me, baby. Don't turn your back on me, baby. Yeah, don't turn your back on me, baby. Stop messing around with me. Don't turn your back on me, baby. You just might pick up my magic stick.
Can you believe that? Oh my gosh, he's so beautiful. I cannot believe how well he played. Okay, so we want to show you... Now, this one's Avon.
Yeah, what's called the Avon? Why
Right?
Avon animatronics we
For
have?
real. Okay, so this one, I didn't know what to expect. I think, had you ever seen one of these
I've seen them
before?
before. I've seen ones where, like, they open up the rope too, and they show like a little scene.
Yeah, it's a little long, but
It takes a while.
it does, and we're not quite sure really about like the music, but this is the most awesomest thing I have ever seen. What happened? It's kind of loud, guys, so it'll start playing different music in a minute. Is that the cutest little thing ever? For an animatronic to have little tiny animatronics in it. Is that not the cutest thing ever?
Turn them off.
Okay. We're going to do the little dog. Now we got him really cheap after Valentine's this year, but again, I mean, Walmart only had what, a couple?
They only really
They're
have
just
like
not getting in animatronics for any holidays this year.
Like they only have like they only have like 5 animatronics for Valentine's Day.
So to keep our channel going, we just are going to thrift stores.
This is starting to become more like the thrift store channel, and not like
I know, right?
this is called ourselves the thrift store
But
channel.
that's what matters. Okay, without further ado.
You can be pretty vicious.
Isn't he cute? And he's so soft.
Like I do. I know you do well, but I'm under your spell 'cause you're pretty, pretty, pretty. You can be pretty vicious. I know you love it 'cause I see what you do. Hold on to myself, but I'm under your spell 'cause you're pretty, 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 pretty vicious.
He's so cute.
Okay.
Okay.
Fall over.
Now, what was this one?
It's a snow globe pal. We got him from Texas Thrift.
No, I know, but is it Avon?
It's Gemmy.
Oh, that's Gemmy. Okay. Now, it doesn't fully work.
Yeah, the
but
penguin is supposed to move. Like
yeah,
a
the
hamster,
penguin's supposed to
kind of.
move, but it is adorable.
Whee! It's Christmas time! Just hear those sleigh bells jingling, ring, ting, tingling too. Come on, it's lovely weather, boys, we ride together with you.
We're not sure why it's not moving.
The snow is falling and friends are calling you home. Come on, it's lovely weather, boys, we ride together with you.
But it's so cute. We are slowly learning how to make repairs. We've been doing good. We're still learning. So, okay. Last but not least, we have... It is, I know. Okay. Where did we get this one?
We also got him from Red, White, and Blue.
Oh, red. Okay. Can't hardly hear
Are
it.
these chimneys getting smaller, or am I getting fatter?
Does he have other sayings?
Yeah.
I could use some help over here.
Yeah, you could.
Good thing I only do this once a year. I should let the elves do this from now on. Who turned out the lights? On Comet, on Cupid, Blitzen, everybody, help me get out of here. Are these chimneys getting smaller, or am I getting fatter?
Too many cookies, Santa! Okay, guys, that is going to end it for today. I cannot tell you how excited I was to get Jetty and I to do a video.
Well,
If
we
you
forgot
guys... Which one?
The frog over there in the back.
Which one?
The frog.
There's so many of them. The
I don't know
Colts?
What?
The
No,
Colts?
we already showed him.
I'm not sure which frog you're talking about.
We
All
put
I
frog-
see
we
is
put
a
frog, little
sea of animatronics.
We put
everywhere.
batteries over. I can't see.
Oh,
'cause
the
this light.
buggy-eyed one. Are you
I
talking
can't
about the bug-eyed one
Yeah,
over
I
there?
can't see because of this bright light. in my face.
Okay, here, let's do this. But that's what makes it fun. Oh, yeah. Okay, Jetty wants to do this one. We're going to do it.
Well, you put batteries in them so we can show them.
Yeah, that's right. Okay. Anyway, we will show this little guy, but we have been so excited to finally put together a video. We're going to pick some other ones that we're going to do. We have what? Easter is the next one coming up.
Yeah.
So maybe we can put together some additional ones that we found. We have so many, you guys. But we will be doing another video. I'm going to go through our comments and get some shouts together. Let us know, guys. We are anxious to hear from you. Let us know in the comments below which ones you liked in this video. And talk to us. Let us know if you want some future shout-outs. We are going to get to it eventually, so we are not going to forget you guys. Okay, so let's do Mr. Froggy.
Jingle bop, ribbit all the way. Oh, what fun it
like him. He is so funny. We have a lot more, guys. We're going to get them together. I'm so excited. Oh, gosh, guys. We love you so much. Hey, if you have not gone over and checked out Jet's new channel, we will reference it in the comments below. It's Jet's Animatronics. And on that channel, he really just does videos. There's not a lot of talking. It's just individual animatronics over there. So if you just kind of want to look at an individual one as opposed to a sea of never-ending animated plush, go over there and check it out. Okay, guys, we love you. We thank you all for hanging in there with us, our YouTube family. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and
hit the bell notification so you know when you upload a new video and announce giveaways.
Future giveaways. And
what?
I don't know, guys. That's it. We love you so much, guys. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you in the next video. Bye.